3, 2, 1.
What is the result of an object reflecting light toward the eye? The answer is B, being seen. The Rhine River begins in which country? The answer is C, Germany. Roosevelt was very effective in communicating with the American people by radio. What did he call his best-known radio broadcasts to the American people? The answer is A, fireside chats. What helps skin feel heat and pressure? The answer is C, nerve cells. What do you use to bind your work together? The answer is A, stapler. The one-word catchphrase stifle was addressed to Edith Bunker Weekly on what TV show? The answer is C, All in the Family. What branch of science offers an overview of the physiology of humans? The answer is A, human biology. Who discovered the leap year? The answer is A, Galileo Galilei. What is the term for the study of disease and its causes? The answer is C, toxicology. Which marine animal can change color to blend with its surroundings? The answer is C, cuttlefish. Most farmers use fertilizers on their cornfields. Which statement best explains why farmers should not use excess amounts of fertilizers? The answer is A, fertilizers may wash into streams. In the 1985 drama Mask, what was the name of the blind girl Rocky meets at camp? The answer is B, Diana. Who did Steve Jobs refer to when saying, "He'd be a broader guy if he had dropped acid once or gone off to an ashram when he was younger"? The answer is C, Bill Gates. Hair and nails are made of what? The answer is C, keratin. What item does a volleyball player use to keep the ball off the ground? The answer is A, jump rope. Which color is the eraser often made of? The answer is C, red. Jamal lives in the Northern Hemisphere. Which season is it when the Northern Hemisphere is pointed away from the sun? The answer is D, winter. What does the acronym URL represent in web addresses? The answer is B, Uniform Locator Resource. Which social media platform was launched first? The answer is A, Facebook. Which game was released as Maniac Mansion, Day of the Tentacle, and Grim Fandango? The answer is D. LucasArts. Which part of the eye controls pupil size? The answer is A. Iris. Who is the protagonist of the Witcher series? The answer is A. Geralt of Rivia. What kitchen item helps with opening jars? The answer is A. Can opener. As a warm moist air mass moving northward collides with a strong cold air mass moving southward, what observations will most likely be made? The answer is C. Clouds begin to form. What type of resource is water power? The answer is D. Renewable. Which game features a green-skinned protagonist named Kratos? The answer is A. God of War. What type of governmental does Portugal have? The answer is A. Democratic Republic. A scrum is used in which sport? The answer is A. Rugby. Even when Jewish men are not reading Torah, they wear a garment with fringes with knots. It is worn under the shirt with the fringes exposed. What is this garment called? The answer is D. Talit Katan. What was the last name of Andy Griffiths on the self-titled show? The answer is C. Taylor. What tool helps in sanding or polishing? The answer is C. Sandpaper. What is the first name of Dr. Hibbert, Springfield's prominent doctor on The Simpsons? The answer is A. Julius. What was the name of the female wrestler in Saved by the Bell who joined the Bayside team alongside Slater? The answer is C. Christie. The first ever Olympic Games to be held south of the equator opened in which city in 1956? The answer is D. Melbourne. Satellite and Schwann cells are the two types of what kind of cell found in the PNS? The answer is A. Glial. What is Jerry's father's first name in Seinfeld? The answer is D. Morty. Ectotherms undergo a variety of changes at the cellular level to acclimatize to shifts in what? The answer is D. Temperature. Which spice comes from the dried berries of the Pimenta dioica tree? The answer is D. Allspice. Which piece of clothing is often used to carry school supplies or shopping items? The answer is A. Tote bag. In the adventure video game Banjo-Kazooie, how many turtles are in Titub's choir? The answer is B. 6. Who won the US Open men's tennis title in 1990 at the age of just 19? The answer is C. Pete Sampras. What is the name of a traditional German wheat beer glass? The answer is B. Weizenbier glass. Winnipeg is the capital of which Canadian province? The answer is C. Manitoba. Which school supply has a hardcover? The answer is A. Book. Methane, ethane, and propane are three of the smallest what? The answer is B. Alkanes. Which fictional maid/employer pair is incorrect? The answer is B. Constantine Miss Walters. The Dead Sea is located in which ocean basin? The answer is B. Mediterranean. If a number is a perfect square, what can be said about its factors? The answer is A. All of its factors are also perfect squares. What's the common name for an iron that presses clothes? The answer is A. Steamer. Where in the world are pears originally from?